Welcome, my fellow citizens. NVIDIA just launched new update for the NVIDIA app, and with it came DLSS 4.5. The DLSS 4.5 is a big change how the NVIDIA process your upscaling and increasing the quality of the game and giving you a better gameplay. If you are like me playing Star Citizen, you naturally want to have 4.5. It's much better. If you want that in Star Citizen, well, watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how to do it, and after you watch this video you will have enabled DLSS 4.5. So let's get started. So DLSS 4.5 will be automatically available for all the games that support it. For example, Cyberpunk, all you have to do is scroll until you find DLSS model preset and select either recommended or custom, and then select here use global, preset L or M. Preset L is for DLSS and preset M is for DLLA. For example, I'm going to use L here, and ray reconstruction recommended, and here also recommended, and apply. That's it. With the Star Citizen there's a little bit problem. The Star Citizen officially doesn't support not even 4.0 or 4.5. It will be grayed out. So if your Star Citizen here is grayed out or you don't have it at all, there's a few steps you have to do. First of all, you have to go to here, add program. Then you will find where your game installed. That is Robert Space Interseeds, Star Citizen, Live, Bin64. You will select this here and click open. And your game will be added here. If this game still doesn't appear here, then you have to uninstall completely NVIDIA drivers and install fresh. I recommend using display driver uninstaller, completely remove NVIDIA drivers, install them fresh, and then come back again. I'm going to link this in the description of the video. So once you have gotten the Star Citizen here, but it's grayed out, we are moving to the step 2. The step 2 will be enabling DLSS and customization for Star Citizen. For that you will need this program. It's called DLSS Override. I will also have a link for you. Shout out to this guy, Kanal Demir, who created this thing. If you want, you can thank him here by buying him a coffee. You will go here to No More Reboot and download the latest DLSS Override. Once you download it, you will have it here on your desktop. I recommend keeping this file and not deleting it, because every time after you update your drivers, you will have to reapply this thing. And I'm going to show you how to reapply it and how to apply it first time. So you will open the app, run it, and here just click process and it will be automatically added. Since I already have it installed, I have to first revert it and then process it. So I'm going to show you first how to revert it and then how to process it. You have to close NVIDIA app, exit. So after any driver update, you will do this. You will click here revert. Yes, reverted successful. Now you'll have to click X here, and that's it. Process. That's it. It's processed. Close it. And here you will be asked either to reboot or restart services. I recommend just doing restart services. Relaunch the NVIDIA app. Go to the graphics, Star Citizen. Wait a little bit, and here we are. We can now customize everything. We can even enable the smooth motion, but sadly it's still broken in Star Citizen. I hope the CIG fixed this. But let's go back to DLSS Override. Let's click here, and here you can use 3D application, recommended or custom. Go to the custom and then select either preset M or L. As I already said, L is for DLSS and M for DLLA. I'm using DLLA, so I'm using preset M. Apply it. That's it. And here select either DLLA or quality or performance, whatever you like. So I'm sticking with DLLA. Apply it, and that's it. It's enabled. In Star Citizen, there is now DLSS 4.5. Let's now jump into the game, and I'm going to do the next step, how to enable it in the game, and then we're going to go into game to test it. Once we are in the game, go to the option, graphics, and here select upscaling whatever you like. I recommend using quality or performance if your PC is a little bit lower, or balance, whatever you like. And here set upscaling to transformer. That's very important. So not this is old, we need transformer. Once you are done, here you can start playing the game. So here we are right now on Levski in a PTU, and here is DLSS 4.5. Now DLSS 4.5 will not give you a better performance. It actually will take few frames, but it will give you much better quality. But where this shines is if you are using not a quality preset, but performance preset. So if you want better FPS and still good quality, use performance or ultra performance, and then you will have amazing FPS. But there's also a but. Star Citizen is not optimized game. So right now I have around 73 to 72 FPS, so you can also use the DLLA instead of DLSS. That will give some hard work to the GPU instead of CPU, and you will maybe get some better FPS. So you can try that also if you like. We are on the bridge of the Polaris. The lighting is improved everywhere, and we have right now writings on the door, just like in Perseus. We have here escape pods. It actually really looks nice. Main elevator still. Armory. And the biggest improvements are here inside the captain quarters. We also have cameras right now. And look at this. Right now this looks much better. Lighting is so much improved. Here we have a camera. We can open the door and close the door. Same as on Perseus. Open this, and here a little bit darker because it's a place to sleep. So this is a lighting improved here. Looks really nice. Yeah, love it. And the most important here is recreation area. Here we have a pool. Finally. This looks much better. It's almost same as in Perseus. I like it. And here we have a hangar. This hangar 1 is still there. That's probably a bug. And here, instead of just having hangar doors, hangar 1, we have bow, port, stern, and starboard. What I would prefer more instead of this writing was there behind those door engineering, here bridge, there medical bay, and there prison. So that would be much better, and it will show you exactly what's behind the door, but okay. And also here looks like a real landing hangar, which I really like. There's also a cool thing down below. I think the Polaris now has much more soul than it had before. Oh, look at this. We have a basketballs. And here somewhere we should probably have a hoop, but we don't have it right now. But can I pick this basketball? Oh yes, I can carry it. Can I shoot? Just drop it. Pick it up. Place. Oh, I can shoot it like this. So cool. We can finally play basketball in Star Citizen. I'm gonna bring this one with me. So when I pull out my Perseus, I will have a hoop to shoot. So yeah, that was it, my fellow citizens. This was a full tutorial how to enable DLSS 4.5 in Star Citizen. I also showed you a little bit of how does it look with improvement of graphics, and also the new changes in Polaris. Will you use this preset? Write it down in the comments. If I've helped you in any way, don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Until next video, have fun out there.